Sambil menulis ya. We can start study English about day, about hari. Okay, the first day is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That is the names of days. Ya, the name of days. Nama-nama hari. Sunday, Minggu, Monday, Senin, Tuesday, Selasa, Wednesday, Rabu, Thursday, Kamis, Friday, Jumat, Saturday, Sabtu.